you choose such a backward time in such a strange land? If you'd come today, you'd have reached the whole nation. Israel for